Alright, so I spent quite a lot of fun and games yesterday trying to find a spare antenna mount, and in the end I took one off that I had, took a photo of it and then put it into Fusion 360. So I've done a version in Fusion 360 here. And then I got into all of the fun and games of cam settings to cut this with carbon fibre. So I will do that at some point, and I'm quite pleased with kind of how this came out. I don't know whether it fits or not, but it's sort of the roughly the right shape, and it was a lot of fun doing it. But if I go to the desk, what I also found in some of my old Marmotte builds is this mount, which is, I think again, is sort of a grommet based mount. So they give you a little rubber grommet that fits in the middle here, and obviously it's the right size to go on the holes on the back. But what I found was that if I assembled that, put the grommet in there, then I could use the UFL connector from TBS Tracer, a TBS Tracer pack I had, and that actually fits just nicely without the kind of washers or anything. Just enough room to take an antenna on the end there without it binding at the end. So you can see there's a little bit of a gap there, so that's perfect. So I will use that, I think, put this one back on my Marmotte so that can fly again. And then in time I will see if I can cut out one of these using my CNC machine. But for the most part, for now, I think I'll use this. I think so. This is a good option, and it should just fit on the UFL mount here, which I think should be good. So this just fits on the back there. And then I think it takes something like whatever, that's, yes, something of that order, maybe 6mm, something like that. So I can stick a couple of those in there, and then with that on, to find some more 6mm bolts, but that on, I've got a nice little antenna mount on the back, and then this guy should be able to sit here on the back, and it should just fit underneath, I think, with the foam. I need a little bit of bending, but I'll be able to mount that there. It does really need to go that way around so that the UFL connectors at the back, but this will bend up a little bit here, and the sticky foam will keep that in place. And there's some, you can see there's some airflow, there'll be some airflow there as well, just to keep it sorted. So I think that should fit quite well. A little bit of a squeeze, but I think it'll be fine. All right, so thank you.